back on the channel Competition Prep. So today we are here with a new video on the topic Indian Constitution. We have MCQs and we will discussing the questions along with their answers. So I really hope that you like this video, and before starting the video, please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. And these questions will be really useful for any type of government competitive exam or any of the MBA entrance exam and other various exams like UPSC, IAS, TPCS, CDS, NDA banking, SSC, railways, MBA entrance. Basically, any of the exams you're preparing for, almost all of the exams have this general awareness or general knowledge part in which these type of questions are asked. So these questions are really very important. So let's start with the video. We'll be covering various aspects of Indian constitutions like the articles, the amendments that are made in the constitution, or regarding the foundation of the Indian constitution and how it is being implemented in our country. Guys, let's start with our question number 1. Which of the following proof took the most short-lived of all British constitutional experiments in India? A. Government of India Act 1919, B. Indian Council Act 1909, C. Pitt's India Act 1784, D. Government of India Act 1935, and the correct option is B. Government of India Act 1990. Question number 2. Consider the following statements. The Indian Constitution is 1. Unwritten Constitution, 2. Written Constitution, 3. Largely based on Government of India Act 1935. We have to choose the correct option now. A. 2 and 1 are correct. B. 2 and 3 are correct. C. 1 and 2 are correct. D. 1 and 3 are correct. And the correct option is B. 2 and 3 are correct. That is, it is a written constitution and largely based on the Government of India Act 1935. Question number 3. Which of the following items is wrongly matched? A. December 9, 1947, Constituent Assembly's first meeting. B. November 26, 1949, the people of India enacted and gave to themselves the Constitution. C. January 24, 1950, the Constitution was finally signed by the members of the Constituent. D. January 26, 1950, the date of commencement of the Constitution. We have 12 which is the wrongly matched, and the wrongly matched is A. December 9, 1947, Constituent Assembly's first meeting. It is the wrong option. Guys, so now let's look at the question number 4. The amendment procedure laid down in the Constitution of India is on the pattern of, we have to tell you on what pattern it is based. A. Government of India Act 1935, the Government of India Act 1947, Constitution of South Africa, D. Constitution of UK, and the correct option is C. Constitution of South Africa. That is, the amendment procedure laid down in the Constitution of India is based on the Constitution of South Africa. Moving on to the next question, question number 5. The Constitution of India was promulgated on January 26, 1950 because A. This day was being celebrated as Independence Day since 1929. B. It was the wish of the farmers of the Constitution. C. The British did not want to leave India earlier than this date. D. It was an auspicious day. And the correct option is A. This day was celebrated as Independence Day since 1929. Question number 6. Which of the following describes India as a secular state? A. Fundamental rights, B. Ninth Schedule, D. Directive principles, D. Preamble of the Constitution. And the correct option is D. The preamble of the Constitution describes India as a secular state. Now let's look at question number 7. Which of the following emerges clearly from the preamble? 1. When the Constitution was enacted. 2. the ideals that were to be achieved. 3. The system of the government. 4. Source of the authority. We have to select the correct option now. A. 2, 3 and 4. B. 1 and 2. C. 1 and 2 and 3. D. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And the correct option is D. That is, all 4 of these statements are clearly visible in the preamble of Constitution. Question number 8. The preamble of the Indian Constitution reads: A. We the people of India adopt, enact and give to India this Constitution. B. We the people of Constituent Assembly adopt, enact and give to India this Constitution. C. We the citizens of India adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution. D. We the people of India in our Constituent Assembly adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution. And the correct option is D. That is, we the people of India in our Constituent Assembly adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution. Question number 9. Which of the following is not a part of the preamble to the Indian Constitution? A. Secularism. B. Socialism. C. Democratic Republic. D. Federalism. And the correct option is D. Federalism. Okay, so now let's move on to question number 10. The Indian Constitution comprises of, we have to tell how many articles, parts and schedules. So option A, 395 articles, 22 parts and 12 schedules. B, 371 articles, 21 parts and 11 schedules. C, 372 articles, 20 parts and 7 schedules. D, 381 articles, 23 parts and 8 schedules. And the correct option is A. That is, the Indian Constitution comprises of 395 articles, 22 parts and 12 schedules. Now let's look at question number 11. The Indian Constitution is regarded as A. Federal, B. Unitary, C. Parliamentary, D. Federal in form and unitary in spirit. And the correct option is D. That is, Indian Constitution is federal in form and unitary in spirit. Okay, so let's see question number 12. Fundamental freedom under Article 19 are suspended during emergency caused by A. War or external aggression. B. Failure of constitutional machinery of a state. C. Internal armed rebellion. D. Financial crisis. And the correct option is A. War or external aggression. Question number 13. Prohibition of discrimination on the grounds of religion, etc. Article 15 of the Constitution of India is a fundamental right classifiable under A. The right to freedom of religion. B. The right against exploitation. C. The cultural and educational rights. D. The right to equality. And the correct option is D. The right to equality. Question number 14. Indian Constitution recognizes minorities on the basis of A. Religion, B. Caste, C. Population, D. Color. And the correct option is A. Religion. 15. Which of the following is or are included in the directive principles of state policy? 1. Prohibition of traffic in human beings and forced labor. 2. Prohibition of consumption except for medical purposes of intoxicating drinks and of other drugs which are injurious to health. A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. And the correct option is B. 2 only. That is, only 2 statement. Statement number 2 is correct. Number 16. Which schedule of the Constitution of India contains special provision for the administration and control of scheduled areas in several states? A. 3rd, B. 5th, C. 7th, D. 9th. And the correct option is B. 5th. Let's look at question number 17 now. Which one is not correctly matched? A. Freedom of speech and expression include freedom of press. B. Freedom of conscience include right to wear and carry kid pants by 6. C. Right to personal liberty include right to carry on any trade or business. D. Right to equality means include principles of natural justice. And the correct option is C. Right to personal liberty does not match with the including right to carry on any trade or business. Number 18. The Constitution provides that Hindi shall be the national language of India, the language of communication between the state governments. C. The official language of the Union, India. D. The language of communication between the Union government and the state government. And the correct option is C. That is, Hindi shall be the official language of the Union of India. Number 19. Who is competent to prescribe conditions as for acquiring Indian citizenship? A. Parliament. B. State legislatures. C. President. D. Attorney General. And the correct option is A. Parliament. Question number 20. According to the Citizenship Act 1955, Indian citizenship cannot be acquired by A. Children of diplomatic personnel or alien enemies born in India or on after 26 January 1950. B. Children born of Indian citizens abroad. C. Incorporation of territory not forming part of India at the commencement of the Constitution. D. Naturalization. And the correct option is A. That means, according to Citizenship Act of 1955, Indian citizenship cannot be acquired by the children of the diplomatic personnel or alien enemies born in India on or after 26th January 1950. 21. Which of the following articles describes about the person voluntarily acquiring citizenship of a foreign state not to be citizens? A. Article 5, B. Article 7, C. Article 8, D. Article 9. And the correct option is D. That is Article 9. Question number 22. Which of the following rights was described by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar as the heart and soul of the Constitution? A. Right of freedom of religion. B. Right to property. C. Right to equality. D. Right to constitutional remedies. And the correct option is D. Right to constitutional remedies. Question number 23. According to Article 23, the following are prohibited. A. Traffic in human beings, beggary, slavery, and bonded labor. B. Monopoly of trade. C. Sale of incenses. D. Visit to terrorist infected areas. And the correct option is A. That is, according to Article 23, traffic in human beings, beggary, slavery, and bonded labor are prohibited. Now let's look at question number 24. Under Article 368, Parliament has no power to repeal fundamental rights because they are A. enshrined in Part 3 of the Constitution, B. Human rights, C. Transcendental rights, D. part of past structure of essential framework of the Constitution. And the correct option is D. That is, part of past structure of essential framework of the Constitution. Okay, so this is the last question for today's video. That is question number 25. In the Constitution, opportunities for development of scientific temper, humanism, and spirit of inquiry and reform are found in A. Fundamental rights, B. Preamble, C. Fundamental duties, D. Directive principle. And the correct option is C. Fundamental duties. That is, in the Constitution, opportunities for the development of scientific temper, humanism, and spirit of inquiry and reform are found in the fundamental duties. So guys, I really hope you like this video, and please do not forget to like, share, and comment. Please share this video as much as possible with your friends and family members who are preparing for any of the government competitive exams. It would be really helpful for them as well as you. And if you feel like anything sharing or you want to tell us something, please feel free to comment in the comment box. and keep supporting and sharing Competition Prep Zone. Thank you for watching this video.